In this video, I will show you how to import Google Contacts into Outlook 365. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, go to the top part of your screen, then click on the Export button. Then, an option for exporting will then show. In here, select CSV for Outlook only, as this format ensures compatibility with Outlook 365. Then export it. It will then automatically be downloaded to your computer. Next, save the file to a location and name it so you know where it is and what the name of your file is. Next is open another tab in your browser and search for Outlook 365. Log into your account. Once you are in your Outlook dashboard, click on People on the left farthest menu list, the Contacts icon. You will then see a more detailed board for people in here. Then click on Import Contacts. A pop-up will appear. Click on Browse on the top right of the pop-up. Select the file you saved earlier or the file of your contacts. After the upload, the system will process the data. You can now see the contacts list in here, successfully transferred from Google Contacts. And that's how to import Google Contacts into Outlook 365.